Hey, what is up, traders? This is Stan Gluzman here with 7 Points Capital, bringing to you today's trader takeaways. So let's just jump right in. We'll keep it nice and short. This is the second time I'm making the video. The first time screwed up the sound. So the second time is usually the better one. So let's just jump right into SOLY. We have a pretty crazy runner. Got halted a couple times, and I think once or twice in the morning. Rotated the float, I believe, about 4.5 times. And we did have a backside for a minute here, and then we reclaimed. This is actually my worst stock on the day. SOLY. Let me pull up executions. So the first fill was right here when I thought we had a lower high. And I realized that we're just kind of going sideways, and we might go up or down. We don't really have a trend yet, so got out for break even and a small winner. After this big drop, I was shorting the bounce, got stopped out above 13. I was thinking that we could reject because we did trade a lot of volume here, so the volume profile point of control was right here. We could have rejected, or we could have reclaimed and squeezed, which I thought was the harder thing to do, but here we are at 16 bucks after hours. So I lost a little bit, kept my losses under control. So would I take this trade again? Probably, yeah. Let's see, XRF. So this one is the biggest disappointment for the day for me, because I sized in really nicely right here, and I thought we would see like 35 cents at least. So I thought we would see a really nice move. XRF, let me pull up executions. I couldn't get the fill right here. I was trying to. I only got like probably a few hundred shares or so. So I still had my full position. Added just a little bit, and the tape was really strong. The bids would get whacked, but they wouldn't disappear, like as in a lot of hidden liquidity. So I started scaling out, and same thing happened right here. I hit the bid a few times, and they were just soaking, and I got stopped out. So that's a small loser for me. Next one was JMIA. That's another loser. Citron Research tweeted about it. We dropped, and I shorted the bounce, and we held higher low, and I just got out for small loss. What else? OTLK. This is a pretty crazy stock. The action seems very controlled, where once they start buying, they're not stopping. And we get moves, crazy moves like that. They're also amplified by the fact that it's SSR. Today it was, at least. So started scaling in pre-market, got stopped out, and pretty much top ticked it. There was a pretty big offer right here, so got in, scalped this one, and right here again I started getting in because that offer started stepping down, and then we got slammed into the 85s, and I got out. So that was a nice one. PLAN, traded this one off of 44 level, and then off of 43.80 level, so pretty self-explanatory. BIOC, this one was a nice winner for me. Was long bias out of the gate. I thought we would squeeze and probably see like 180s or so, but we were holding, we were just wedging. So I started building a short, scaled out, and then stopped out on the rest. And AMRP, this was the biggest winner for me. Nice and easy. It was downtrending, so I shorted the pop and then got out into the drop. From there on, the volume really dried up, so I just took myself out and left it alone. And that's pretty much it. So pretty slow day. I'm probably flat on the day, maybe up a little bit. And that is it, guys. Hopefully we'll get some action this week. And thank you guys for watching. If you have questions, you can tweet at me at Tricana Trader. and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.